Hello guys, it's Adam from Ether. Welcome to Guangzhou Yuhua Packaging Limited Corporations. As a leading manufacturer and trader of cosmetic bottle, our company was founded in 2019, which is strictly in terms of cosmetic bottle, for manufacturing high quality and reliable products. And today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our factory. So without further ado, let's get started.
We have established a warehousing and logistics base in Guangzhou, covering an area of 10,000 square meters. As a manufacturer of PP, PE, ABS, AS, PET, PETG as raw materials, products are cream jar, dropper bottle, lotion bottle, spray bottle, vacuum bottle, separate bottle, foam bottle, skincare products set bottle, all kinds of washing bottles, and etc.
We operate in strict accordance with the ISO 9001 management system in terms of quality control using advanced production and testing equipment to provide customers with stable and high quality products. Now I'm standing in the workshop. Let's take a look of our bottles, and I will show you more details of it.
We specialize in research and development, production and processing of all kinds of plastic bottles, plastic covers, and plastic pumps. So far, has several independent intellectual property patents. The factory has 9 bottle blowing machines, 10 injection molding machines, 14 full cabinet painting production lines, 6 semi-automatic screen printing machine, 1 automatic free color ironing gold screen printing machine.
The premixture was added to the injection table, and the injection table was injected into the mold at a pressure of 19 to 114 MPa, and the plastic bottle embroil was obtained.
Stretch the plastic bottle embroil edge and pre-blow, and then high blow molding, cooling shape, exhaust, then secondary cooling to obtain the PET plastic bottle.
The screen printing machine is squeezed by the scraper so that the ink is transferred to the substrate through the mesh of the graphic part, forming the same text as the original manuscript.
This is our automatic packaging machine. The processed bottles are automatically labeled. Then the quality inspection and packaging can be packaged from the factory, and we strictly in accordance with the ISO 9001 management system operation. In the quality control, the use of advanced production and testing equipment to provide customers with stable and high quality products. Thank you for watching. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, Connect us today and experience the difference of working with a company that's committed to excellence.